Lords, I beg to mention item number 10.
Yes.
Kindly this matter may be listed on 26th of this May. Because 10. Item number 10.
10.
Yes, Lord. Okay.
Who is the respondent? Who is the respondent?
No, Lordship, sorry, not item number 10. ये गलती वाला है.
Criminal petition 129.
Lordship, wait. Item number 10, criminal petition.
Respondent.
I'm for the petitioner.
You are for the petition. Who is for the respondent? Have you informed?
Yes, for government.
Okay. Miss D. Rilung, Land Council for the petitioner, with the consent of the Land Council appearing on behalf of the respondent. Praise for listing this matter on
26th
26th of
May.
May. The prayer is allowed. List this matter on 26 accordingly. Okay.
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 7.
Please. Just a minute. Sir. Is there any stay in the?
Interim is there. Interim is there. Lordship.
There is interim.
Yeah.
You have
Interim is interim to be continue. Lordship.
the interim order pass and if you continue till the next date. Okay.
That's all.
Lordship, item 7.
Item?
Item number 7.
7.
Lordship, this matter may be list after a week.
After a week.
Yes, Your Lordship. The conducting council is the congregation annually.
Okay. Have you informed the other side? Who is for the other side? Respondent?
State, Lordship.
Only state.
Yes, Lordship.
No private respondent here.
No, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, also I beg to mention item.
Just a minute.
There's
You
no
are
interim. There's no interim in this matter.
Okay. You are Mr.
J. Koyu.
J.
J. Koyu. Bharat Joel Koyu.
J. Koyu. Advocate Sami states the conducting council, Mr. D. Council. The council for the petitioner is out of station. Therefore, pray for adjournment for a week. The prayer is allowed. This matter after a week. Okay.
Also, Your Lordship, item 14.
Yes.
I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. N. Salim here. But kindly this matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
Here, who is the respondent? Who is appearing for respondent? Have you informed?
Lordship, I was just instructed this way.
No, then the other side may be present here. We'll grant you prayer, but then let us wait for some time. Let us see if the other side.
The PP is only here.
PP, no private respondent here.
No, Your Lordship.
Okay. Michelle, you have any objection?
No, Lordship.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so,
There's
Yes.
no interim, Lordship.
appearing on behalf of Mr. N. Talin, Land Council for the petition of praise
No
for
interim.
adjournment of the metropole. When do you want this?
After 2 weeks. Sir.
After, for 2 weeks, to which the Land Council appearing on behalf of the respondent has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
Lordship, here, Lordship, then scan copy of the TCR record may be called for.
Well, in 14,
Yes, Lordship.
then 2 weeks, you want this matter to be,
In the meantime, scan copy of the TCR.
okay, not called for.
No,
Yeah.
no, Lordship.
Okay. Then, Miss L. Hagenar, PP, additional PP, submits that scan. The record was not, is a record means the case already charge sheeted?
Yes, Lordship.
It's a scan copy of.
Yes, scan of the TCR, Lordship.
Hmm?
Scan copy of the TCR.
Okay. You want, it is here.
Lordship, this is CGM UPR, Lordship.
It was called for.
No, no, sir, earlier it was not called for. It yet,
Okay.
yeah, sorry, it was called for on the earlier occasion, but it has not received yet, Lordship.
Not in a,
It has not received yet, Lordship. I have.
Oh, not
checked
yet
it.
received?
Not, Lordship.
okay. It was called for otherwise?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
On 3/3/25, it was called for.
Hmm. If it was called for, then on the next occasion,
Just
next
reminder,
occasion,
Lordship, just a
Okay.
reminder.
scanned copy of the trial for the court has also not arrived. The registry shall issue reminder for the same. Okay.
All right, Lordship.
Mayor,
Yes.
Your Honor, I beg to mention item number 18,
Item
18, 18.
18.
Yes.
Yes.
Your Honor, the leading counsel had just recently had eye surgery 2 days back. The matter may be fixed after 2 weeks.
Okay. Mr.
C. Natung.
C.
Natung.
Natham, Planning Council, submitted the leading counsel has recently had undergone an eye operation. Therefore, he is unable to present in the court. Due to which he is unable to present in the court. Therefore, pray for adjournment of the matter for 2 weeks. The prayer is allowed, at least this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Highly Your Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4.
Yes.
Main counsel is out of station and with consent from other party, matter may be released after 3 weeks.
It is what the TCR has received.
Lordship, yes, Lordship, TCR is there, Lordship.
It's a scanned copy or the original?
Lordship, it should be scan copy, Lordship, because it is,
You have already received.
no, it's a received by registry, Lordship. Registry called for, Lordship.
Okay. Okay. Mr.
T. Tagam,
T. Talang. Planning Council submits that the conducting council, Mr. L. Parme, is out of station, therefore pray for adjournment of the matter. He has also, the Planning Council has also obtained consent from the council of the other side. Is in view of the above, the case stand adjourned, which this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
oblige.
All right, Lordship.
May I, Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17 on behalf of K. Tama, Your Lordship. Since he is out of station, this matter may be adjourned for today and fixed after 2 weeks. The consent is already taken.
You have informed the,
Yes, Your Lordship.
okay,
17.
okay, Mr.
J3 on
J.
behalf
Singh.
of K. Tama.
Appearing on behalf of, submits that the conducting council, Mr. K. Tama, Planning Council for the respondent is out of station. Therefore, pray for adjournment. He has also consent, or obtain a consent from the Planning Council for the petitioner. So, the prayer is allowed, come, list is matter, stop, and list is matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks, okay.
Your,
Is prayed, list is matter, is prayed, comma, list is matter after 2 weeks, okay.
Your Lordship, I have another mention. Item number 13.
13 also.
Yes, Your Lordship. In this matter, Your Lordship, service upon respondent is still awaited, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, I am seeking permission to take fresh step.
Okay. Mr. J. Sitting, Planning Council for the petitioner is present. In view of the office note dated,
Yes, on 3rd of March, we have taken step.
you have
And
taken
office
steps.
noted yesterday's notice there.
In view of the office note dated 15/5/2025, Mr. J. Sitting. You are J. Sitting,
J3, yes,
Planning Council for
petitioner.
the petitioner, prays for allowing him to take press steps upon the respondent number
Only sole respondent, Your Lordship.
only.
Yes.
So, respondent by the state,
No, Your Lordship, by usual process.
by usual process,
Yes, Your Lordship.
take a press steps, prayer allowed.
And Your Lordship, there's an interim also.
Register, by register as well as usual,
Yes, usual
Okay.
process.
usual process only,
By registered post and usual
Okay.
process.
the prayer allowed. press steps upon the respondent by a registered post with AD as well as by user process within a week from today.
Okay,
Okay, list this matter after 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Okay.
And your lordship, there's an interim that may be continued.
Stop, para. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Highly obliged.
Yes,
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 6 for adjournment. Leading counsel is out of session because of health issue. Yes, item 6.
you're for?
I am for the petitioner. I have already informed other side.
Okay, you are Mr.
L. Kagum.
L,
Kagum.
your name is there?
Yes, my name is there.
L Kagong.
Yes.
Kagong Land Council submits that the leading counsel for the petitioner, Mr. T Topo. Leading counsel, Mr. T Topo, Land Council for the petitioner, he is out of station. Therefore, pray for adjournment of the matter for 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Interim is there.
He has also obtained consent from the land council appearing on the other side. Staff has prayed for, the case is adjourned. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
My lord, interim may be continued.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
Obliged.
Your lordship, may I mention item number 5? Here, I'm for the petitioner. Kindly this matter may be adjourned.
I think this matter is ready for hearing. It will take little longer time.
After 2 weeks.
Can it be listed for hearing?
Yes, it can be listed for hearing.
Okay. Mr. M. Kambo, Land Counsel for the petitioner. Oh, have you informed the other side?
Yes, I have informed the
Okay.
other side.
Okay, hard, Mr. M. Kambo, Land Counsel for the petitioner. Okay. Who submits that the matter is ready for hearing stuff. Since the parties are represented, whether the record was called for record, I think is also here. Just a minute, fine.
So LCR was called for, but I think it has not been
Not yet received.
received.
Okay, then in that case, whether called for. Code was not called for.
Yes, Lordship, the record was not called for. Only service was completed, Lordship.
Whether record is necessary.
Yes, Lordship, necessary, Lordship.
Okay. Hard Mr. El Kambo, Land Council for the petitioner, has also had Miss Lakshmi, Land additional BP staff. In the instant case.
Lordship, in the course title, we have not been made, yes, Lordship, is it there, Lordship?
Mm,
Yeah, yes, Lordship.
The
Lordship, here,
trial-
other private parties also there, Lordship, response number 2.
The trial, they have appeared, it appears.
Yes, Lordship.
The trial court record will be necessary for proper adjudication of the case. Accordingly, call for the scanned copy of the trial court record. This is charge seated.
Yes, Lordship, it's a session, case number,
Okay.
Lordship.
Okay. Of which case, which district?
Session, number 523.
No, this, case of which district?
Lordship.
Which session? Yeah,
UPR, Lordship.
yeah, okay. And list is matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
Lordship, interim order is there.
Stop, pass. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date. Okay, so
Like,
Obliged.
this is item 5. Okay,
My lord, this AV application may be kindly taken up as unlisted item today, my lord.
what case?
AV anticipatory well application. We have
AV.
filed yesterday, my.
Yesterday?
Yes.
Okay. Last item.
Yeah, please, my lord. My lord, I beg to mention one unlisted matter.
This is
cre- regarding the,
what
I'm,
matter?
yes,
What matter?
criminal petition.
No, it has to be mentioned before the senior bench.
Yes, I have tried, he said that criminal should be mentioned in here.
Mentioned here.
Yes,
Okay. Unlisted.
unlisted.
Can you let it be listed on Monday?
My lord, in Monday, the main case is fixed.
This is what case?
This is with regard to, I'm challenging the order passed by this learned session court.
That is why.
He has
let it be
compounded the
listed-
matter without the consent of the complainant.
Let it be listed on Monday along with the main case. On Monday,
Highly obliged.
criminal petition.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9. Your Lordship, there's a similar matter fixed for 16 June 2025. So I pray that this matter may be taken up together with this on 16 June 2025.
Actually, my lord, we had requested it for 16th of June, my lord. Typographical error, my lord, it has been mentioned as 16/5, my lord. So it has been listed today, my lord. Today is 16/5. It should have been listed
Okay.
on 16/6.
This is wrongly listed.
Yes,
Okay.
but the order seems to be of 16/5.
The learning council for a party submits that this matter has wrongly been listed today instead of 16.
We had prayed for 16/6, my lord. But
Okay, instead of 16/6. In the order, it is 16/5.
16/5, it is there.
16/5 only.
But we have prayed for 16/6, my lord, earlier. Because
Okay.
the similar matter is on 16/6, my lord.
Okay, both the learning council for the parties are present and submit that on which date it was passed? On which date?
Last-
Or
last
which date? So on 16, another method is also fixed.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, then
On 7/5/2025, 7/5.
okay. Submit as the analogous matter is fixed on 16/6/2025. Therefore, this matter may also be listed along with the analogous matter.
Madam.
Do you have the number?
LA 02, my lord. Land acquisition appeal number 02 of 24, my lord.
Appeal number.
LA appeal, my lord.
LFE.
LA, land acquisition,
okay.
yes. LA appeal.
Appeal
02 of
number
24
02
of 24, my lord.
of 2024 on 16/6/2025. Okay,
Obliged.
the prayer is this is accordingly. Okay.
Lordship, dear Lordship, I beg your pardon. In item 14, there is an interim.
There is
Interim in item 14. I mentioned it earlier.
item 14, The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date. Okay.
Obliged.
Yes, which one to be taken first?
Your Lordship,
Criminal petition.
yes, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for adjournment of this criminal petition
When do you want?
next Friday, that is 23rd.
Next Friday.
Yes, escape order is keeping unwell. He's hearty best.
Mr. You are Mr.
I'm Mr. Bate Joel.
Just a minute. Miss Lakshmi, just see,
Yes,
can
Lord.
we issue notice?
Lordship, yes, Lordship, you have, in the Lordship connected case, the AB Lordship, they have already filed AB Lordship, where they have, got the interim Lordship. And the case
the
that you
AB
have, yes,
In
Lordship,
the AV already they have got.
yes, Lordship. And we have, this is the case that Lordship,
Case that was also called.
yes,
for?
Lordship,
In
it's called
which?
for,
In AB.
yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship, this is a quashing of FIR, Lordship, but the investigation is revealed that it is, material is there, Lordship,
There is a material.
yes, Lordship,
Okay, then let the council be present
yes, Lordship.
Thursday. Not Friday, Thursday.
Your Lordship, 23rd Friday,
Hmm,
23rd of this month.
23rd. Friday being the last day, it would be little difficult.
Thursday also.
It's Thursday, okay. The, Mr.
J. Koyu.
J. Koyulani Council for the Melanic Council, some is that. The conducting council, Mr. Who is the conducting
SK
council?
Poddar.
Hmm,
SK Poddar.
SK,
Poddar. PODDAR.
his name is not there.
It's in Wakalatama, Your Lordship.
Okay, Poddar. Okay, what happened to him?
Your Lordship informed that he is keeping unwell today.
Okay, he is indisposed. Therefore, pray for adjournment of the matter. By fixing another date, start, huh? Prayer not objected, so accordingly, the prayer is allowed, list this matter on, the Thursday would be 22nd. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged.
Yeah,
Lordship, this is a joint criminal petition filed by the petitioner number 1 and 2. The petitioner number 1 is the complainant who lodged an FIR against the petitioner number 2 on 1/8/2017, alleging that the petitioner number 2 accused person has forged his name and a signature in some schemes. However, Lordship, after investigation, the police has filed charge sheet. Even charged were framed. Thereafter, the case has been fixed on 35/2025 for examination of the complainant before the trial court. In the meantime, Lordship, the
it's a complaint case,
No, Lordship, FIR.
FIR.
Yes.
Okay.
In the meantime, Lordship, the dispute has been settled between the petitioner complainant number 1 and the 2, Lordship.
What is the offense?
Offense is, Lordship, 420, cheating and dishonestly inducing delivery of 440, 468, and 471, Lordship. And 420 is compoundable,
So
but
try, charge frame there,
charge frame, Lordship.
already framed.
Yes.
And then evidence recorded? No.
No, Lordship.
Not yet.
On 35/2025, witness has been, PWS has been called for the examination of complainant.
And call for record.
Lordship, here, Lordship, we can call for record, Lordship. Today's process, they will call for the record, Lordship.
Okay. Yes,
Scan copy, Lordship.
scan copy. Okay. Okay, Mr. K. Lolo, Land Council for the petition. This is an application filed under section 528 of the Bharati Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 for compounding of non-compoundable offenses and for quashing and setting aside of the FIR dated 1/8/2017, registered as Halo PS case number 07. No, where
Lordship.
is the GR case? Have you mentioned?
GR, Lordship,
Okay, then just for
Pa-
quashing
page
and
20.
setting aside of the GR. the GR case number
Nine of
09/2019 arising out of Alo PS case number 07/2
Lordship,
2017.
Lordship, a small correction. It is Kamba PS case number. It is, it is Kamba PS case number.
Not Alo.
Lordship, I have, it is topographical
You
error.
correct it.
Yes, Lordship.
Then arising out of Kamba
Kamba PS case number 7 of 17.
07/2017.
Lordship, I'm deeply sorry.
Under section 420, 468, 471 IPC. Pending before the court of the Chief Judicial Magistrate, Alo.
Hello.
Staff. Issue notice. Returnable by 4 weeks. Staff. Hold for the scanned copy of the trial court record. That Miss L. Hagen, then additional PP appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the state. Okay, there is no private respondent. Okay.
Yes.
Lordship, in the meantime,
Then it
Lordship-
is, then it's a joint petition.
Lordship, may I, Lordship, in the meantime, this deed of settlement, Lordship, they have, Lordship, not in a proper, Lordship, because there's no court papers not been used, Lordship, and it is. In the meantime, they will produce, Lordship, the proper deed of agreement, Lordship.
You must have executed this settlement
Yes, Lordship, that is, yes.
before some magistrate.
Otherwise, notary can also done, Lordship, nowadays.
Before the notary?
Yes, Lordship.
On next date, Lordship, I will produce the proper settlement.
List this matter after 4 weeks. Start.
It may be reflected in the order, Lordship, so that the correction may be made in the detailed the deed of agreement.
Okay, then before that, Mr. Lolan. Non-counsel for the petitioner. Submitted, he will produce the original deed of settlement of the settlement of the parties. Okay, list this matter after 4 weeks. Start.
And Lordship, I have a interim prayer, Lordship, because
Fair enough.
Lordship,
Lordship, no, at this stage, Lordship, how the interim prayer may be, Lordship.
on 35, Lordship, the examination of petitioner number 1, who is the informant, is fixed. Lordship, at least his examination may be,
In the meantime, the further proceeding of the which case?
Kamba PS case, GR case number 9 of 7.
GR case, proceeding of the G. Now, the GR case number 09/2019. Pending before the court of the Chief Judicial Magistrate, Alo. Shall remain paid till the next returnable date. Okay,
Lordship, we are challenging the sale deed of agreement, Lordship, which is.
you are challenging?
Let's raise, Lordship, because in the sale deed
Yes,
agreement, this is not a proper, Lordship.
No. Where are you challenging?
No, Lordship, I'm just, Lordship, pointed out before the
No,
Lordship.
this is the party, the party says they have entered into agreement.
Yes, Lordship, the agreement, Lordship.
Whether both of them have signed affidavit.
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship, but Lordship, this is, we have not, Lordship, and we don't know, Lordship, whether this is original or not, Lordship, whether they have, Lordship, duly, Lordship, they have settled or not, because in the court, honors, in the, before the Lordship also, there is no agreement, Lordship, in the, original form. I'm just, praying before the Lordship that on the next day, the original set of agreement may be produced, and I have no.
That is why I've said that he will produce the original agreement.
Yes,
on the
Lordship.
next date.
Yes, Lordship.
Original, yes.
Then till then, stay no matter, next date, stay may be granted, Lordship.
The date is fixed on 30.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship.
30
Yes, Lordship, yes,
30
Lordship.
May.
30 May, yeah, yes, Lordship. Till that, Lordship, the interim may not be granted, Lordship. On that, the interim may be considered. The looking into the Original,
regard,
original lordship, this agreement lordship.
I am declining myself regarding a submission countering the PV lordship. Otherwise, lordship, there is no any formatted for the settlement. And this is not the PV who
In
can
what
raise.
Just a minute, in what document he has forged your signature, the respondent number 2?
Lordship, more in the
His name-
charge sheet also lordship, this prima facie lordship is a well established lordship. The forensic report also it's been revealed that.
I'm not challenging the merit in the merit of the case. I am before your lordship for fraying that since the offense has been
Just a
settled.
minute, what is the scheme?
Scheme, lordship,
Does it affect the government?
yes, lordship, this is the scheme, name is NREGC, National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Here, this is a scheme whereby name of the blazers has to be mentioned in the certain register. But the claim of the petitioner number 1, complainant, was that his name and signature was inserted by the accused petitioner to claim the certain benefits in the name.
Whether the benefit was availed by.
No, lordship, no way,
Not
no
it.
benefit, nothing,
Okay. Then no
because it
problem.
was not continued.
Okay. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged.
Item number 8, my lord, I am not in receipt of the leave application, my lord. I am in receipt of criminal appeal, my lord. Only, my lord. So I will obtain the criminal leave petition, my lord. So we may be given some 2
You
weeks time.
are for, you are representing respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
Yes, my lord.
You have not yet received the copy.
Copy of this leave petition, my lord.
Okay.
I have the criminal appeal, my lord, but not the leave petition.
You serve the copy.
Yes, I will serve.
You serve the copy. Okay.
Yes, I will.
Mr. El Cambo. Your name is not there.
My name is not reflecting the cost list. My name,
Whether you have filed a signed Wakalafnama,
Your Lordship.
who appear on behalf of Mr.
On behalf of
Falas,
Mr.
Running Counsel for the petitioner. So, you are appearing for the first time, Mr.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. B. Picha. Running Counsel would appear on behalf of the respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
Yes, my lord. 1, 2,
Okay.
3.
And some is that although he has received a copy of the criminal
Appeal, my lord.
criminal appeal,
Yes, my lord.
however, he has not yet received the copy of the copy of the criminal leave petition.
Yes, my lord.
So Mr. Kambo, Running Counsel for the petitioner, has undertaken to furnish furnish a copy of the criminal leave petition to Mr. B. Picha within 2 days.
My lord.
From 2 days is Sunday, Saturday,
Wow.
within 3 days.
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
sir, within 3 days from today, start. And then
I will list it after
let this matter be listed for
3 weeks, my lord. Wait.
admission.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, after 3 weeks.
Ma'am.
Okay,
My lord.
for admission. Huh?
Obliged.
Obliged.
Yes, Your Worship. The settlement has been already be done
Hmm?
between the parties in this matter. This is for caution, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Yes, and the settlement has already been done in,
Is it a joint petition
and not a joint petition, Your Lordship, but.
on merit?
Yes, Your Worship, yes. It is not a joint petition, but the other parties here.
I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 2, Lordship. We have
Sure.
amicably settled the matter, and I do not wish to continue the trial now.
You file an affidavit then, in that case? You file one affidavit
Okay, Lordship.
that you have no objection and you don't want to continue it. Since
Yes,
the
Your
matter has
Lordship.
already been settled between the parties, okay? When do you want, when can you file?
Tomorrow?
Next week?
Tomorrow, Your Honor.
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Okay, Monday.
By Monday, Lordship, I'll find it.
Okay, you file by Monday, okay? You are appearing for the first time here?
Yes, Lordship, I have filed my Wakalan Nama as well. today itself.
Okay.
Yes,
Ms. Chong, Planning Council for the petitioner. You are Miss?
J. Jongluju,
No, your name.
T.
Your-
Mosang,
Hmm?
T. Mosang.
Miss T. Mosa. Have you filed Wakalat Nama?
Yes, Lordship.
Would appear on behalf of the respondent number 2 by filing a Wakalat Nama and submit that. The matter has already been settled between the parties and she do not want to pursue with the matter any longer. So, Ms. So-and-so, shall file the above submission in the form of affidavit by within 3 weeks, 3 days. Okay?
Yes, Lordship.
So, let this matter be listed again next week. Next week it will be Thursday.
Any fixed date?
Thursday. Thursday. 22nd. Okay. Just a minute. What is this matter? What is the offense involved here?
It's
3
robbery, Your Lordship, 40,000. The amount is 40,000 only. It is a robbery case, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Yes, Your Lordship. Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Obliged.
On the service still awaited upon response.
Respondent 1 and 2.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Dicky Pangalani, counsel for the petitioner is present. Staff, the service upon the respondent number 1 and 2 is still awaited. So what do we do?
Well, we'll wait for some more time.
Okay, in view of the above, let this matter be decided after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Okay.
Interim order.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of mistake.
My please, Lordship, this is Jimma application of the vehicle, madam. The vehicle was. The last time direction was passed, yes, ma'am. 23, 24. In the case of Sundarbai Ambala case, the Jimma matter has already been cleared by the Honorable Supreme Court, madam.
Can you just-
Specifically a vehicle, madam. This is now more than 7 months. The vehicle is pending with the kept by the policeman, and they are objecting for giving it to Don Jimma. The accused person is on bail, madam. That's why this last time this Honorable Court, madam, just lightly said whether it's a preventive detention for vehicle, madam. The person is out on bail and they are keeping the vehicle.
No, it appears the vehicle is involved in so many.
My lord, that's there.
This vehicle was used in so many cases.
That is an allegation, madam. That's simply allegation. But the Honorable Supreme Court has cleared, madam. Within 6 months, the matter has to be disposed of now.
No, apart from this case, what other cases the vehicle is
No,
involved?
that they have not specified. Simply said.
In other cases, it was not seized.
No.
Okay.
Simply they have said that it is involved in other matters. Which case, nothing has been mentioned in the order, madam.
You have the citation?
Yes, madam. So, given the copy, madam. 2002, madam, 10 SCC.
Yeah.
This is madam 283, madam. Para 17 starts, madam. The operative. I'll read, madam. In our view, whatever be the situation, it is of no use to keep such a
Para?
17, madam.
17.
Yes.
Yes.
Before it starts from 15, but we will skip 15 and 16. It's regarding appearance. 17, madam. This is our opinion in our view, whatever be the situation, it is of no use to keep such seized vehicles at the police station for long period. It is for the magistrate to pass appropriate orders immediately by taking appropriate bond and guarantee as well as security for return of the said vehicle if required at any point of time. This can be done pending hearing of the application for return of such vehicles. In case where vehicle is not claimed by the accused owner or the insurance company or by third person, then such vehicle may be ordered to be auctioned by the court. If the said vehicle is insured, this says that it should be disposed. Here, I'm the owner, I'm claiming the vehicle.
Whether the vehicle is insured?
Yes, is insurance, everything is there. Because otherwise, if I didn't claim this vehicle, then they can call the insurance party and ask them to claim. That's the procedure. I'll read further. In para 18, in other
The claimant, you are the owner of the vehicle.
Yes, I'm owner of the vehicle. If such
And who is the accused? Not the
accused owner, accused is the owner.
Accused is the owner.
Yes.
Oh.
Last line, the court would pass such order within a period of 6 months from date of
Last line of which order?
production of vehicle before the court. It's the
Para
order.
18.
Malat?
Para 18.
Yes, 18. Last line, the court, last two lines, the court would pass such order within a period of 6 months from date of production of said vehicle before the court. In any case, before handing over possession of such vehicles, appropriate photographs of the said vehicle should be taken and detailed panchanama should be prepared. But that is
not yet produced before the court.
No.
It is still under whether the case has been charged.
Vehicle has to be, whenever they seize, they have to produce the vehicle before the court. That is the mandate of the CRPC. Of course, not now this BNNS. They cannot keep because vehicle, if it's kept in open, that's the Supreme Court has already said it's kept in open, it will get damaged, but use they will have. They should simply videograph, photograph, and make panchanama. Vehicle will not be exhibited in the court. Those materials would be sufficient for the evidence.
What was the ground for rejection? Only that.
Yes,
it
seems to be
some other case also.
informed. That's the only lordship. See the order passed by learned court below. Page 13. Para 5 is the main, page 14. The IO case has produced reports called. The IO has raised objection in releasing of said vehicle to the custody of accused person. It is also informed that some same vehicle has been used multiple times for commission of similar offences, and in the event of handing over said vehicle to the accused petitioner, he will not cooperate with police and there's possibility committing similar offence by using the vehicle. It is further reported that such vehicle is required for further investigation cases of offence pending investigation different police station within the jurisdiction of ICR. It is either such vehicle may be not handed over the custody of the accused petitioner. If the vehicle is required in another case, in that case the vehicle should be seized. That's the procedure. The matter would have been different. The simply a statement, is multiple cases. If there is multiple cases, in that case, the vehicle should be seized. But in this case, it is almost 8 months now. We don't know what would be the condition of vehicle now.
When it was seized, you said?
It was seized on lordship. The seizure memo is there, lordship.
Have you annexed?
Yes, page 12, 59 to 2024. Annexed to page 12. It's 8 months now.
Accused was released on when accused was
Malad-
released. Accused was also arrested on the same day, 15/9/2024.
Accused were released on 19 November. Bail. And already accused has been released on bail, Malad. The vehicle cannot be kept as security, Malad, some kind of.
Accused is also found to be habitual offender.
Well, that is a statement, Malad. That's what, no other case has been mentioned that he's involved in such and such case, Malad.
Yes.
Lordship, as per the lordship, rule lordship, it cannot be confiscated lordship. It can be released lordship, but with a certain condition that during the trial, when it was called for, it can be produced lordship, and with the lordship condition that it cannot be transferred or resell lordship. That much condition with condition lordship, it can be released. A certain condition should be imposed lordship.
That condition would always be there.
Condition of
Yes, lordship. Otherwise, lordship, as per the law, lordship, it can be confiscated lordship after the trial of completion
It's
of the
not,
trial.
not a case of confiscation.
Yes, lordship,
See-
that's why lordship, they have lordship challenge the confiscation of the vehicle lordship. It is, trial is still going on, that's why lordship, the Honorable Session Court has refused the release of the vehicle. But as per the law, lordship, it can be released, but certain condition may be imposed.
Heard Mr. Tapu, learned counsel for the petition. I have also heard Ms. El Hage, learned additional BP for the state staff. The case of the petitioner is that on 15/9/2024, the vehicle of the vehicle, what is the number?
Malad,
Where do we find the number?
Parad 3, Malad, in the cost title also, Malad. Paragraph 3. AR01Q 0633, Malad.
Vehicle, the Tata Nexon.
Yes, ma'am.
Car bearing registration number AR01Q 0633. Along with key and RC books
Yes.
were seized in connection with
Nahalagan PS case number 110, madam, of 2024.
Nahalagan PS case number
110 of 2024.
Nahalagan PS case number 110/24 under section 21 within bracket B stroke 27 of NDPS Act. Para. The petitioner, the further case of the petitioner is that he filed a JIMA application before the court of
The special judge, madam,
special judge
NDPS. UP.
NDPS Rupia for seeking JIMA of the said vehicle along with the key and RC book, but the same has been rejected on 8/1/2025. Start. It is the said order dated 8/1/2025. The petitioner is aggrieved and challenged by filing this application under section 528 of BNS 2023. Seeking JIMA of the seized Tata Nexon car bearing the number, registration number same, so, same, start. Got it. The land council for the petitioner submits that the said seized vehicle belonged to the accused petitioner, was seized on 15/9/2024, and since then, the said vehicle is kept in the police station and exposed to the sun and rain, for which the sun and rain and the and due to such exposure, there is every possibility of natural decay of the vehicle and damage by non-user of the vehicle. Stop. The Ghana Council for the petition further submits that the accused has already been released on 19/11/2024, and he is ready to produce the seized vehicle as and when required by the police or the court. However, if the same is kept exposure in the sun and rains for longer time, the same will the vehicle will get damaged. And the vehicle will result into a natural decay and get damaged due to non-user of the same stuff. Therefore, pray for JIMA, pray for release of the vehicle on JIMA. Start. Ms. L. Hage, none additional people. We have submitted that. Although the vehicle had been seized for having used it in commission of the alleged offense. In this Nahalagan PS case number, so and so. However, the vehicle, you have no proper, I think, the garage to keep all these in the police station.
Yes, Lordship, they keep it like that only, Lordship.
However, since the vehicle has been kept outside the police station, exposed to sun and rain, it is likely to get damaged. Therefore, if the petitioner is ready to, if the same may be released on the subject to the condition that the petitioner produce the said vehicle as and when called for by the police or the court, and also to execute upon.
It should not be sale or
And further with the condition that the
should not be hand over to the other
accused
person also.
owner shall not sell or dispose of the said vehicle during the pendency of the
Lordship.
case of staff. For the land council for the parties. Staff. In view of the above submission, this court is of the view that there is no point in keeping the seized vehicle being exposed in the police station. No, be kept in the police station, exposed to sun and rain. For indefinite period, which may cause natural decay or damage due to non-user. Start. In view of the above, this application is allowed. The petition is allowed. Who is to be directed? Police.
Yes, madam.
PS,
Nahalagan
Lordship.
police.
Nahalagan PS.
The vehicle bearing number, registration number AR01Q. Name the vehicle, Tata Nexon car bearing registration number so and so. Belong to the, what is the name of the accused?
Accused, my lord, Rajan Brahma.
Okay. Be released from the following condition, terms and conditions. What is the condition you want to impose? One, the what is the condition you want to impose?
Lordship, because here Lordship charge sheet has not been filed yet, so then during
that's the-
investigation also Lordship.
That the accused shall not sell or dispose of the vehicle during the pendency of this case. That the accused, next that the accused shall produce the vehicle
As and when no call for,
or
as and when called for by the investigating agency.
before the IO of the court, as and when called for.
Yes.
And then
Lordship, this can be sufficient, Lordship, this too.
Before releasing, proper Panchanama would be done by the police.
Before it is also made clear that before releasing of the vehicle, it is still under investigation.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship, the
Okay.
charge sheet not
The
been
state vehicle shall be
filed.
photographed photographed, huh? Properly and photographed properly. These documents is also there, not only the vehicle. You are seeking for the document and the keys, huh?
Yes, madam. Otherwise I cannot drive on road.
Release will be the vehicle with the documents, huh? With the document, with the key and the documents. Huh? Yeah, along with the key and RC book. Okay. Photographs are to be kept on record. Huh? That the bond used to be signed. That
Only PS lordship.
on execution of a bond.
Yes.
Bond of like amount.
No, madam. The bond that we will produce as an inquiry court.
Okay.
That bond we will sign before the
Okay.
police.
With the bond to be signed by the owner of the vehicle.
Yes.
Okay. Always about this criminal petition stands allowed and disposed of.
Much of
Of life.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of respondent Mr. Deepangi. Counsel for the respondent is not there, so matter may be finally.
Who is for the petitioner?
Your Lordship, M. Parthimuk Parthin.
You are for?
I am for the respondent, Your Lordship,
Respondent.
Deepangi.
Okay.
Matter may be listed after 3 weeks.
Hmm?
I am seeking for adjournment, Your Lordship.
Adjournment. Okay. No one appears. None appears on behalf of the appellant when called, on call and stuff. Mr.
Sita Jo.
S.C.
Sita Jo.
Sita Jo. Lana Council appeared on behalf of Mr. Dicky Pangan. Lana Council for the respondent stuff. Who and respondent. Mr. So appearing on behalf of Mr. D. Pangan, seek for adjournment of the matter for
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Stuff. In view of the above, let the matter be listed after 3 weeks. Okay.
God bless.
My lord, I have a telephonic conversation with Father, the special public prosecutor, my lord. He is not available today and
SIC is telling counsel lordship, Pada sir.
Or Pada.
Yes, lordship. I think he's not present today.
So then what to do?
so lordship, since he will be available on Monday, he was asking me to
Get
take
listed on Monday.
yes, but lordship, I have a prayer because the petitioner has been directed to appear tomorrow. So till Monday, interim may be granted, my
So what is this matter about?
lordship.
What is
A common, my lord,
offense?
common summon has been issued, my lord, to
Summon for what?
for appearing in the Itanagar
In
ACB,
connection
my-
with?
Yes, ACB, Anti-Corruption Bureau. SSC is now ACB, man.
Anti-corruption.
Yes, earlier it was Special Investigation Cell. Now it is now renamed as Anti-Corruption Bureau, man. So the petitioner, my lord, is a proprietor of a farm, man, who is executed.
Where is the FIR? Have you annexed?
No.
Hmm?
Only the summon page 11 summon, my lord. This could only be obtained.
The same. Summon.
Yes,
Summon, you have to appear, it appears.
lord, sir, there is
Then
a
in
reasonable,
anti-corruption case, it's very difficult.
my lord, there is apprehension that if once, my lord,
Now you have also not annexed the FIR. What is the allegation against him?
there is some common allegation, my lord, of misappropriation of government fund under 14th Finance Commission, my lord. The proprietor is a The prisoner is the proprietor of a farm, my lord, who's executed some works in Upper Siang district, my lord. And
what work?
Some construction work, my.
Construction work.
Yeah. And
Appropriation of the government fund and the 14th
Finance Commission
area, Janging area. To direct government person.
Lordship, work has been executed long back to the satisfaction of the authority, but it is now learned that
But the so many accused must be involved in the case then.
here, as for someone only three number of accused men. And
Who
Two-
is this? The applicant was the officer or the contractor?
no, a proprietor of a farm.
Proprietor of the farm.
Yes. Out of three accused, Lordship, two are before your Lordship today. 1 and 2. Both
What work he has executed? He had executed.
some construction work
Construction.
connecting village roads. Lord.
There is a Supreme Court judgment where in such cases it's difficult. Can we take up there must be some allegation against them, FIR registered against them.
Lordship, only till Monday, Lordship, since today is the last working day
No,
of the week,
so
Lord.
That is what I'm saying. Then what will remain if I protect you? You have to appear.
Lordship, once, Lordship, if they are detained, Lordship, irreparable damage will be caused on the reputation, Lordship. So only till Monday, they may be allowed to appear, and this interim prayer may be kindly allowed.
This summon was issued, when this summon was issued?
On 9, Lordship. But since it is in Upper Siang district, Jenging, Lordship, it was not furnished in time by the Jenging police.
Now we need to see before granting what is the allegation against him. The gravity of the allegation need to see.
Lordship, other than that construction work, they
Yeah, that is what I'm saying.
are not involved in any other cases.
The 14th Finance Commission basic count.
When the work was, Lordship, going on, it has been learned that some people out of political indifferences, they made a complaint before the SIC, Lordship. It was pending before the SIC. Now, since the case has been taken up by ACB, the summons
Now,
has been.
the SS when the FIR was originally lodged,
That is not mentioned, Lordship.
not mentioned.
So
Is
he
it the first time he has been called for, or earlier also he was summoned?
No, Lordship, this is the first summon. So he's a mature aged man, Lordship.
2024 case.
Yeah.
It appears it is 2024 case.
He is a 62 years old man, Lordship, with family, and he is ready to abide by any condition, Lordship. Only he protected with interim order, Lordship.
No, we need to see the allegation before passing any order. It will be difficult in such case.
Because he has been directed to appear, tomorrow is the last date appearance. And the PP will also be available by Monday.
Hard, Mr. and further. Learning counsel for the petitioner. Well, this is an application filed under section 482 of the BNS for granting pre-arrest bail to the accused. Apprehending his arrest in connection with SIC, within bracket VIZ, VIZ, bracket close, PS case number 20-2024. Under section. You see, you have not mentioned even a section also. No, Mr. But it will be difficult.
Lordship, but since this is heavy
No, what is the allegation?
of misappropriation of,
No, where is the section? In bold. Where? Not mentioned.
yes,
No.
but Lordship, this since this is pre-arrest bail or apprehension.
This is case of 24. You could have actually obtained the FIR, copy of the FIR.
No,
This court could have and goes at least what is the intensity of the allegation against you. But then in absence of that allegation, it will be difficult.
Lordship,
We do not know the seriousness of the allegation.
Lordship, since this was looked up by SIC, no intimation other than this someone was ever issued, Lordship, to the petitioner.
The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that. The petitioner is resident of where?
Karko
Jenging.
village in Upper Siang district.
Resident of Jenging.
Yes, Jenging circle.
Jenging Circle under Upper Siang district. When did you receive this summon?
On 11th, on 11th.
So, on 11/5/2025, the police accused received a summon from the DSP cum officer in charge, ACB PS Itanagar. So he, on 11th trend, so he has received a summon under section 179 BNS. Within bracket 160 CRPC, bracket close, from DSP cum officer in charge, ACB PS Itanagar. Directing him to appear before the. Where is the direction there to appear before the?
In the first paragraph itself, below mentioned persons to report before the IO of the
Okay,
case.
to report before him in connection with the ACB PS Itanagar. Just a minute. With the following direction, then that will be inverted comma. The ACB PS Itanagar is investigating a case pertaining to the alleged misappropriation of government fund under 14th FC Finance Commission basic grant UN What is this?
Under, yes, under Jenging,
Okay, basic grant under,
yes.
under Jenging area of Upper Siang district. Stop, therefore. Okay, it is here. And directed to report before the eye of the case for examination on or before 17/5/2025, Saturday, without fail. Stop. The land council for the petition submits that. Have you applied for the copy of the FIR?
No, Lordship, not yet.
Then you see, you have not made any effort.
Only yesterday, Lordship. Today, one of his relatives is applied. From one of his relatives.
The land council for the petition submits that. Although for the other one you have applied today only.
Yes, good.
Although he had applied for the copy of FIR today, but the same is still awaited. Copy of the FIR, but the same is still awaited, due to which he could not produce the copy of the FIR. However, since the direction is to appear before the eye of the case on 17, that is tomorrow. He has filed this anticipatory bail, apprehending his arrest in connection with the above case. Start with the land council for the petition of further submits that the petitioner is the proprietor of what farm?
MSC NHS
From MSC BJ Enterprises.
Yes. Yes,
Right. What work you have executed?
construction work.
What construction? Have you mentioned somewhere in the petition?
Village road construction. Some village road construction.
Where?
Only at paragraph 2, Lordship. That the petitioner is the proprietor of MSCNN Enterprises, a firm which executes government allotted works at country.
He's the proprietor of the MSBJ Enterprises farm, and he had executed. No, this is you are describing your work only, not the work which you have done in connection with the present case. Where have you stated?
Lordship, particular work I have not mentioned.
Then you could have mentioned. How do I protect you? What is the ground for protection? You have to show that it was executed and you are innocent, you did not do anything. Then only there can be a protection. It is difficult. Unless you say, show some reason for your protection. How do I protect? No, it will be difficult. We'll get it listed on Monday.
Lordship, by Monday we'll furnish all those things and
No, you have to furnish. Now, you see, where have you stated that you have executed that and you are innocent otherwise? But you apprehend that you are your arrest.
Lordship, in the summon itself, Lordship.
Summon itself, that is there, but then where you have said that you are, although you have executed properly executed as per the work order, and you are innocent. Unless you say, how do we protect? It is tacitly admission of the offense committed by you, unless you state. We'll take it up on Monday. Okay, let the,
Lordship, in presence
No.
of the PP, it's maybe taken up, but
Hmm?
till such time, Lordship, we may be protected.
No, just a minute. Then,
Because object of the
then leave all everything, huh? Add Mr. So-and-so, and this is application so-and-so, huh? Only keep that. Now, the direct counsel for the petitioner submits that he has, although he has informed, sorry, the special PP SIC.
yes, Lord.
But he is out of station.
Yeah.
Out of the station and requested for getting the matter listed on Monday. Start, huh? In view of the above, list this matter again on Monday. Start, huh? Till in the meantime, huh? In the meantime, no coercive action be initiated against. Till Monday only, huh? Till Monday only. Till Monday, no coercive action be initiated against the accused applicant pursuant to the summon under section 179 BNS within bracket 160 PRPC. In connection with SIC Beach PS case number 2024. 20/2024. huh? Okay. Same, similar. This is similar. This is also Nalo Pada only. Say similar or other?
Yes, same order. Same.
Done. So Mr. Nalo Pada, so unless you pray in the anticipatory bail, you have to show that you are innocent.